checkup day. Let's go. Off we go to the hospital. Driver's seat. Out of gas? Go refuel. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go! Woo-hoo!
Let's go get a physical checkup. Check the weight and height. Mew Mew weighs 14 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers.
Mew Mew's height, 83 centimeters.
Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers. Check your eyesight. See which way the E goes. Slide now. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. All correct. You have very good eyesight. Thanks! Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal. Nope. Listen, duck. Nope. Listen to it again. Nope. Cow. Nope. Kitten. Thanks. Check the heart rate. Place them based on their colors. Yes, that's the right place. Tap the button to match the color. Yes, that's it. The check is finished. Your heart rate is normal. Thanks. Time to go back to the kindergarten.
This is kindergarten!
Hi, kids. Today, let's do some crafts together. First, cut out the decorative border for the paper cup. Spread out the paper cup. Paint the cup with a pretty color. Use a small thumbtack to secure the windmill. At last, finish it with a straw. Awesome! What a beautiful windmill you've made. Snack time! Let's go have some snacks. It's time for a snack!
Okay.